before we proceed to our APIs, we are going to need some data in our database. So let's fill our tables with some data with help of factories and seeders. So let's create a category and product factories. I'll use PHP artisan make factory. The first one will be category factory. Okay, that's correct. It is created. We are going to create also product factory. Right. Yeah, let's do the same as user factory. So we return some data in this array. So let's copy one of them. All right, let's open category, and yeah, we have only name. So I believe this will do. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah, it's a category here. It's correct. Now, yeah, that's fine. And in product factory, we have name as well, but not name, maybe word, just any word. It's not a person name, so this should be word as well. But I believe we can add like many words. I don't know if this word function take parameters, so how many words we have, but we can basically do something like this, doing space dot another word, maybe another one, right? So you will concatenate three words for product name. And what else we have in product table? We have price, we have stock, we have category ID. So let's add price. So price should be number, I believe fake number between. So return random number between int1 and int2. So yeah, so price should be from 10 to 500. All right, this will this is good. So, and the stock as well, fake could be number between maybe 0 and 50, right? And yeah, we don't need to add category ID because we will do this in the seeder. I think we should save it and go to the user model. I'll close others. So as we noticed here, we have to use has factory treat and do the same as user model. So we can identify and connect the factory to its corresponding model. So let's open product model and paste to those lines. We don't need notifiable treat. I'll remove it and I'll import has factory. And it is not user factory, it is product factory. All right, I'll remove this one. So I should copy it and do the same in category model. Now in category model, not factory. All right, I'll do this here. So has factory, not product factory, category. That's correct. And let's check again. Everything is good. Now let's run our database seeding. So, and before that, I think we have to add it here in this file. So I think we have a user. So this user will call the user factory, right? So this one will call this factory here. So if we not provide password, the password will be a hashed password word. So that's fine. I'll keep it as it is. And we will do something like maybe category first, category factory count. I believe there is count. Yeah, count of maybe 5 categories only. And there is some magic functions in PHP has products. I believe we can do this. We will create like 50 product for each category. Let me import it. I believe this will work. Let's try to uh, migrate it. PHP artisan migrate fresh dash dash seed. By the way, fresh command, you cannot do this in production because it will remove all your data and recreate the tables, migrations, everything. But because we are in development, we are free to do that. Now let's check our database. So yeah, let's check our users table. We have the user we created. We have, yes, we have products with some words. That's fine. We have some good prices. We have stock as we created, and we have some category IDs. I believe we should have also categories table with 5 category. Yeah, I think we're done for this video. I don't want to make it longer than that. So yeah, let's start the fun part and create our REST APIs in the next episode.